Hi, I'm Jose Saravia, and today I want to give you access to an amazing 4-day training program that will show you how to start as soon as possible your online business that you can use, where you can use affiliate marketing and sales funnels. If you already have an online business or you are planning to start one, believe me that you need to use funnels. I didn't know that, but especially now that traffic is becoming more expensive, we need funnels. Why? Because that's the only way to improve the customer value. So if you don't know what a funnel is or how a funnel can help you or help your business, don't worry because this is part of what this training going to show you. And the only thing that you have to do is that if you are looking this video on YouTube, you just have to scroll down, click on the link, and just tell me to what email you want me to send you this training. And by the way, because this training is free doesn't mean that the content is not good. By the way, the content of this training is amazing. My partner, who is the creator of this training, he usually charges almost $1,000 for the same training that you are going to receive for free. And the only thing you have to do today is to take action. So if you have some questions or have comments about affiliate marketing or sales funnels, just shoot me a comment and see you inside.